Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Cracko298, and today we're going to be going over the development log of the new iStation Z save editor, which will bring a few features, and I'll show you those in a moment right now. But first you want to go to the GitHub page if you want to download it. It's github.com/Cracko298. The link will be in the description or the pinned comment if you guys prefer. You go to the new iStation Z save editor. It's going to be pinned right here. Alrighty. So then you just click on it and you scroll on down and you choose your operating system of choice, which will be Windows x64, Mac OS build, or the Linux build. Now, Mac OS and Linux, they use the same basic one. I believe they use a different clear thing, and that's why they're different. But here we go. So there's the Windows x64 build. We're going to download that right here, and it's going to pop up. We're going to open up the, what do you call it, the thing right here, the file. We're going to go and extract it by right-clicking, and we're going to hit extract. Let's replace all the files right there. Awesome sauce. So now that this right here is back, great. Cancel. Yeah, so we're just going to delete that real quick. I hate Windows sometimes. I really do. Alrighty, awesome. Now that this is working, we're just going to go ahead and take all these. We're going to copy these, and we're going to make a new folder, okay? Actually, you know what? Probably a better idea would be to extract instead of, copying it out. Now that it's popped up right here, we can have this little thing, alrighty. So we have meta, new iStation Z save editor. You can go in here. It's just Python files. Alright, so now we're going to go into here and we're just going to copy these. And where do we want to copy these to? Well, that's where iStation Z comes in. So we're going to actually stop the emulation right here. Ignore that. So we're going to open up the save data location. It's going to be here. Let's delete this save file. Yeah. And so now let's paste this application in here. And so what we're first going to do is we're going to start up iStation Z, of course. Now, it has no sound, so don't worry about that, alright? It's perfectly normal. I hope. Alright, now we're going to go to single player, create a new game. It's going to take a little minute to load, hot minute. Alrighty, awesome. So now you see that we have nothing over here edited. We have nothing at all edited, no clothing, no hack clothing, nothing like that. And so we're now going to save the game. And then we're going to stop the emulation. Because if you don't stop the emulation, it might corrupt save data, it might not work, and that's not what we want. So here we go. So we're going to start up the new iStation Z save editor. We're just going to run this app anyway. Now, as you can see, it says created. It has a little animation that's been like that. It's version 1.6. I included 2 updates inside of one. That's why it took so long. And so now what we can do is we can edit the health. So we're going to first edit the health. Now, what do we want the health to be? We're going to type in, I'm going to go with 9,000. You know what? Yeah, 9,000 is a pretty good number. And then we're going to go back and we're going to edit the, I believe it's the thirst or water. We're just going to do 9,100 just to separate them. And then we're going to do hunger as well. 9,200. And you guys can see where this is going. It's going to be 9,300 next, which is number 4. So 9,300. Running that to the file. And now that we've written all these to the file, we have nothing to fix because our save data is fine. You can use that in case your save data is corrupted. Now, the clothing / apparel menu, of course we're going to do that. What are we going to do? We're going to edit the jacket. And we're going to, I don't know, we're just going to do, we're going to get a Kevlar jacket, all right? And then we're going to edit our trousers, and we're going to get 4 Kevlar trousers. And then we're also going to go back and edit the backpack. Now, we're not going to get a Kevlar backpack. No. We can't do that, no. And so we're just going to go back and boom. All right, so now we have Kevlar trousers, Kevlar trousers, Kevlar, what do you call it, jacket, and then we have a bling backpack. So, what do we want our location to be? So, this is pretty cool, actually. And so, we're going to set it to gray base. This is going to put us right in front of gray base. Now, we're going to exit right there. Um, let's go to the next page. Now, this is the fitness menu right here. And we're just going to edit our kills to 99. We're going to edit our zombie kills as well to 99. We're going to edit our days survived. Now, our days survived, I'm just going to do 9,100. No, just flat out 9,000. That's for days, okay. And then kilometers traveled, we're going to go 4. And then we're just going to do all 9. So it's going to be 99. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's how I remember it. Alrighty. And so now for this other one, we're going to go 5. We're just going to type in 99 because it's the max. We're going to do health items or food or whatever it's called. We're just going to do 99 again. Then we're going to move on over to, I believe it's health items. 99 already, and then for a final one, which is 8, we're also going to do 99. Now, this is the newest update. This is what it includes. So now we're going to return to the previous menu, and then we're going to go back. And now that this is done, we can actually close this, and now we can start up Citra again. All right, now I'm going to turn up the volume. Or, you know what? Actually, no. Because then I can't talk. Alright, so now we're going to go into here. And we're going to look at our save data. See what is there. Alrighty, awesome. So as we can see, we have 9,000 health, which is what we put in. 9,200, 9,100, and 100 battery. I believe this 100 battery is false. I have no idea why it did that. I guess I'll have to check that very soon. But here we have all this. Now, fitness menu is maxed out, so we have 9,000 health. We've traveled 1 billion days. We have 9,000, or we've traveled 1 billion miles or kilometers. We've survived 9,000 days, and all these right here are maxed out at 99. And so if you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you don't, well, then don't. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.